The power of annual guaranteed cash benefits. Alam mo ba na hindi lahat ng insurance puro protection lang? Meron ding tinatawag na annual guaranteed cash benefit or yearly payout. Ito yung mga plans na habang insured ka, tumatanggap ka rin ng sure na pera taon-taon. At ito yung hindi alam ng karamihan. Yearly payout plans are one of the smartest, most underrated financial tools for Filipinos. Bakit? Kasi they solve a big problem na ayaw nating pag-usapan. Consistent cash flow. Paano nga ba? Number 1, cash flow equals choices. Most Filipinos only have two sources of income. Trabaho, small business or part-time income. Pero kapag nagkasakit or nawalan ng trabaho or nag-slow ang negosyo, wala nang pumapasok. With yearly guaranteed cash, you now have a third income source that is sure, guaranteed, hindi apektado ng economy, hindi nakadepende sa trabaho, hindi kailangan bantayan like a business. This is a kind of cash flow that gives you peace of mind and options.
Wow!
Number 2, goals become easier when there's money you can count on. Ganito kadali. Every year may sure money ka, every year may sure na progress ka sa goals mo. Pwede mo gamitin yung yearly payout para sa tuition fee ng anak, travel fund, Christmas budget, birthday, anniversary, expenses, business capital, pang loan payment, pang-upgrade ng lifestyle, emergency buffer, retirement allowance, fund for aging parents. Imagine mo, hindi ka nangungutang pag December. Hindi ka kinakabahan pag tuition.
Yes.
Hindi ka nadidismaya pag may gusto kang bilhin. Kasi every year, your policy delivers. Number 3, it's like your future self sending you money every year. Ito ang pinaka-powerful na mindset. You're not buying a plan. You're building a yearly ATM for your future. Instead of relying on bonuses, commissions, or kung ano ang matira, you create a system na guaranteed may dumarating na pera kahit hindi mo pilitin. Ang tawag doon, financial consistency. Yan ang sikreto ng mga financially healthy na tao. They don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. Number 4, annual cash benefits protect your biggest asset, your peace. Sino ba ang hindi stress sa pera? Ang totoo, lahat tayo. Pero ang may AGCB plans, may advantage. They know na kahit anong mangyari this year, may darating na pera next year.
Oh yes!
Hindi ito na parang investment na minsan mataas, minsan mababa. Ito ay guaranteed.
Wow!
Meaning kahit anong economic situation, hindi ka zero. Peace of mind is priceless. Number 5, the longer you hold the plan, the bigger the benefit. Most people forget this. Kapag tumagal ang plan mo, lumalaki ang cash benefits, mas nagiging solid ang coverage, mas lumalakas ang financial foundation mo. This is long-term wealth disguised as insurance. Hindi lang ito protection, hindi lang siya savings, hindi lang siya payout, it's a complete system made for long-term stability. Number 6, annual cash benefit is not an expense. It's a transformation of your money. Ito yung misconception. Magastos yan, kailangan pa ba yan, magtatabi na lang ako? Pero real talk, the average Filipino cannot save consistently. Hindi dahil tamad, pero dahil hindi stable ang cash flow, tumataas ang gastos, at walang system. AGCB plans turns that weakness into strength. Ginagawa niyang automatic ang consistent savings plus yearly income. Kumbaga, instead of umasa sa disiplina mo, umasa ka sa guaranteed system. Here's the final lesson. Annual guaranteed cash benefit plans are for people who want stability, consistency, and financial breathing room. It's for people who want to say, may darating na pera next year. Sure, may tuition ako na hindi problema. May pang-travel ako kahit hindi ako mabigat mag-ipon. May cash flow ako kahit tumigil ang trabaho o business ko. May income ako habang insured ako. This is not an expense. This is your future self giving you a yearly reward for being responsible today. And the earlier you start, the bigger and better the benefits.